Hi guys, Simon here from Altegra, Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a leg assembly on one of our heavy duty 50mm hexagonal frames. Unfortunately, this guy got damaged in transit, so we thought why not show you how to replace the leg while we've got it here, because it is extremely easy. So to start with, we'll expand the frame a little bit. You just get the frame to a point where you can work around it. There's only one tool that we require to replace the leg. It's a 5mm Allen key. This tool will actually do the whole job to replace a full leg assembly, so I'll show you how we do it. We start at the bottom and undo the hex key. They're not that tight, so you can easily loosen them off, and then the nut will come off by hand. We'll pull that through. We'll go to the top. So there's the 4 screws and nuts being removed. Just pop the crossbow off. And there's the leg fully off. As you can see how much damage was done there. I think by a forklift, but we're not 100% sure. But we'll replace that leg for you now. Here's the replacement leg assembly. So we'll just sit that into place. The easiest way we've found how to replace it is if you just locate the little hex bolts through to get it started. Have to line the hole up to get that through. Go down to the bottom, just line up the crossbows. They don't have to be too tight, because they are a nylock nut, so the thread will actually hold into the nut. Okay, that's the second one done. We'll get to the top. You can see I'm not putting too much force on the Allen key, just giving it a little tighten. The last one here. Just double check that they're all in place. Everything looks great. And then we'll close the frame down to make sure it's moving correctly. And there you have it, guys. That's a heavy duty leg replaced in just only a few minutes with one tool. It's a great product, very simple and very easy to handle.